Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Patrix.
Guys, in today's video, we are going to see how to access a text file using our Python program. So, in our previous video, we have seen this basics information related to file IO to see how to access a text file using a Python program. So, before that, we are going to create a normal text file. So, I'm going to right click here. I'm going to new add file. Inside that, I'm going to give our name as text. Okay, when I'm entering it, I can save any text, whatever I want. Suppose I'm writing that welcome to Python programming. Okay, I'll store something here. We are going to see how to access this text file using a Python program. So let's start. So first we are going to see how to open that file. Okay, for that I'm going to declare a variable in name OP. I can give the variable name whatever I want. And inside it, I'm going to use an open keyword. This open keyword, which helps to open that file. Inside it, I'm going to specify the file name into the double quotes. Okay, so here I have opened this file. So when I say print OP, okay, when I say print OP, so it will run. You can see here it is showing the name of the file and in what mode we are opened. It is telling us R mode. R mode means it is telling that we have opened the file in read mode. Read is a by default mode. We have to specify whenever we open a file, we have to specify in what mode we are opening it. So here I have not specified the mode, then also it has taken as read mode because read mode is a by default mode. So for reading a file, I want to specify here that I am going to declare another variable rd. Suppose I am telling that op dot read. Okay, I am telling that op dot read. This keyword we are using here. So when I print rd, so when I run it, we can see whatever data is present inside it. So you can see here it is showing that welcome to Python program. So you can see here also I stored that only. So we are able to read this data using a Python program. I will explain you what is occurring here. First, I am declaring a variable, and inside that I am using this open keyword, which helps to open a file. Okay, so whatever file we want to open, but we want to give it in the double quotes. And second, we have declared one more variable that we are given a command here that we are using this variable in which we have opened our file. Okay, inside that we are telling that we want to read. What we want to do, what we are telling that we want to read. So when I printing this RD variable, so it is showing us whatever data is present inside it. So we have seen how to read a file. Now we are going to see how to add data into a file. So for adding a data, write mode is not a by default mode. For adding a data, we have to specify mode here, that is write mode, which helps to add a data. So now I'm going to write here that write. For writing and entering a data, I'm going to use write, and inside it I will write whatever I want to enter. So for that, suppose I'm telling that thank you for watching. So I will tell you what happened in this write mode. You can see here in the file that I have written welcome to Python program. Okay. This write mode, what it does that it will erase this existing data into the file and it will enter this current data, whatever we are passing down. So when I run it, you can see that it will show us the length of this character, how many length is it. And when we run and when we seeing the text file, you can see here, it have deleted the welcome to Python programming line and it have entered this thank you for watching, which we have entered now. So this is what write mode does. Write mode will basically erase the pre-existing data into that file and it will enter the current data, whatever you are entering into it. But we do not want to erase the data, but we want to add a new data also. How we can do that? For that, we can use your append board. So I will erase this right board. I will tell here that append, for append board, I will use this A keyword which stands for append. Append is also used to add a data into it, but it will add the data after this data. It will do not erase this data. In the last position, it will enter here whatever I will enter using here. For entering here, first, okay, first let's erase this. So I will show you how this append board works. So for entering or while using append board also, we want to use a write keyword because this write keyword will enter the data into it, but it will add the data in the append board because append board will not erase this existing data, and it also add the new data whatever we are entering. I will show you. So suppose I am writing that welcome. So when I run this, you can see here it will be running properly. And when I go to text file, you can see here that it has entered this welcome. Okay. So, but it has entered in the same line. We do not want in the same line. We want it in the next line. For that, we can use here that I will show you. We can use here that invert slash n. When I use this command, it will enter this text into the new line. So I will show you. You can see here. So you can see here it have entered the data into the new line. Okay. I hope you understand what this read, write, and append board works.
So guys, I hope you have learned now how to access a file using Python program. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.